This is your veggie side dish at Thanksgiving. Caramelized cauliflower with herb butter. You gotta move quickly, just so it's really good. This is the perfect mix of cozy comfort, but it is a veggie forward dish. So we're actually gonna do 2 heads of cauliflower, cut it in half, quarter it, core it, slice it into steaks that are about 1/2 inch. All right, so we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or a neutral oil on both of these pans. Just a nice drizzle. And then we'll do 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, a lot of drizzle and happen in. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. We're going to be tossing this all together so we get good coverage. The maple is what makes this dish. My kids ate it. Everyone was really happy and no one complained about eating cauliflower. You wanna get it as flat as possible on the pans. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon per pan of kosher salt. I have my oven at 400 degrees. This will roast for like 38 to 40 minutes. I do like those browned edges. That is what is going to give that deep caramelization. While my cauliflower is roasting, I'm gonna make the herb butter. And I've got 1/4 cup of butter. Put this in the microwave, put that paper towel over the top. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of finely minced parsley, and then 1/2 of 1 green onion, including some of the whites and the green. It sounds crazy, but trust me, it's good. 1.5 teaspoons of whole grain mustard, a pinch of salt. I love citrus, it really brightens it up. I'm just going to zest almost half of it so that I get about 1/2 teaspoon of the orange zest. But we don't wanna go too far because you don't want to get that bitter taste. Mix this up. Cauliflower that's pretty white. It's like not gonna look good on the table unless you add a little bit of herbiness to it, and this does that. Okay, so you want to move quickly because we have maple syrup on the pan and it's gonna start to get sticky. Look at this. You get that caramelization on the cauliflower. It's gonna have a soft texture, but some crunch with the caramelization happening. It's the color that's bringing this to life. And then I'm going to spoon this herb butter over the top evenly. And then this is ready to be served immediately. So this is something that I would save right to the very end. That is all it takes to make the best Thanksgiving side.